Hello everyone, my name is Henrik. This video is about the soul and how the Kundalini awakening has changed my perception of reality. But first I will sum up from my first video. For almost a year ago I started a Kundalini awakening. I'm still in process and it's very safe for me and I really enjoy it. We got two identities, a false one and a true one. The false one I call for it the ego. The ego is the root to all the pain. Some ego qualities could be I'm stupid, I'm worthless, and nobody wants me. The ego is a natural opposition to the true identity. The true identity is the soul. The soul represents all the positive and harmonious thoughts and feelings. Some soul qualities could be love, forgiveness, inner peace, high self-esteem. That was the sum up. The physics says that everything consists of energy. The human body, the animal body, tree, rocks, the nature as a whole. I experience that there's a deeper level of identity than the energy. The soul has its energy with all its harmonious thoughts and feelings. But I experience a deeper level than that. I call this identity for the oversoul or the divine. So far, I have experienced the divine as never-ending, unchangeable, empty, and the emptiness is absolute positive because there is no pain at this place. The divinity has a very high level of inner peace, so strong that I cannot describe it. I'm not here all the time because the vibrations is very high, so I go into this place and I go out of it again because I'm not ready to handle it all the time. But by time, I will be able to stay there more and more, and in the end, I will stay there all the time. I have also experienced I'm one with everything when I am in the divinity. As I said before, everything consists of energy. The human body, the animal body, rocks, grass, trees, brushes, the nature as a whole. Everything has a consciousness and everything has a deep level of identity. Everything is an expression of the divine we are divine. And that's why I experience that I'm one with everything. It's a pleasure for me to experience that, and I'm very safe about it. And yeah, that was all I have for now. And I hope you enjoy this video. And in the next video, I will teach you how to use the power of the soul to solve your problems. I wish you a good day and goodbye.